Okay, I have a 2009 Ford Expedition. Has the 5.4 liter Triton engine in it, V8, and I've had a problem where when it's really hot, it won't start after running for a little while. So you get in the car cold, it starts right up, and you can drive it, but then when you stop, get back in, try to start it again, nothing happens. You turn the key, there's no crank, there's no start, nothing happens. You just don't even hear a click. Just completely, utterly dead. And you have to kind of wait for a while and kind of let things cool off, and then, you know, an hour or two later, the thing will start again. Really frustrating. So I traced it down to a set of ground cables inside the engine compartment. I'm pointing to one right here, this one right here, which goes to the firewall, and that strap goes down to the engine. That's one. Second one is back at the firewall, just beyond the ECU computer. There's one right here, right? And then there's one on the inner wheel well, which is right there. And that wire actually runs back to the negative ground cable. It's split off from the negative ground cable there. So what I did was I removed those bolts from the firewall and from the inner fender there, and I sanded them down, got all the corrosion off of them, sanded down the connectors as well, and then reinserted the bolts and then coated them with grease. And you can see the coating, I put grease on that there to keep it from corroding again. And now the truck starts right up. Today it's 95 degrees, and it is, I've been running the truck for about an hour. I got back in it after coming out of a store, and runs just perfect. Starts up perfect, runs perfect. So hopefully that is the issue. If this can help you out, I hope it does. But it's those ground wires that seem to be getting corroded and then keeping the truck from starting.